This is the new MTF6000 portable station from Atlas Copco. It features an MTF6000 controller, a MicroTorque tools nest, and a 36-volt battery power source all in one portable package. This portable MicroTorque station is designed to be mobile and is ideal for any operators that require precise programmable torque control without being tied down to a workbench. All of the functionalities of the advanced MTF6000 controller can be utilized in this portable setup, such as torque seating monitoring, rehit detection, multi-step tightening, and more. We cover all the advanced programming and accessories available for the MTF6000 in great detail in our other videos. All the results and traces are stored on the controller and can be easily exported to a USB drive or directly to a computer running ToolsTalk MT or ToolsNet 8 software for data collection, analytics, and process improvements. If you'd like to check out the MT Portable Station, visit the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to catch the next video from Flexible Assembly Systems.